ngana masoma yutuya yani nje ngoge tamuka anzenya sawa kwa la kana na mungu kasa mungu ndika tuna maga ili ya tabona yeka ili ya takele ndio ah nina baito moyo koi wangu jalala koi wangu ja Josi ni baba yote yombu yule yote yomaiwa.
Colleagues Nyamira and diaspora, and come with any appreciation. We will not come back again.
Ukiendelea kujumuika na sisi hapa, ningependa kuanza kwa kusema kwamba wakati uliingia kwa shule uliweza kukutana na board ya Rio Kindo, ambayo sasa ningependa kukukongratulate na kukushukuru sana kwa sababu ya ile promotion ambayo umepatia Rio Kindo Boys. Principal Gerald Orina, you presented the needs of your school together with members of your board. Bwana CS, I want to strongly associate with the submission that Gerald Orina gave you, not only about Rio Kindo, but about Rio Kindo group of schools.
Capitation as leaders, we know what Imbadi was saying is in terms of the resources that are available in the budget. It doesn't matter that you are going to reduce that amount of money to 16,000, because if you do that, wananchi hawatakubali. Capitation ni 22,000 Kenya shillings, kama inawezekana iende juu na isirudi chini.
Baibori ni manye toko nyora kwa ino nogoke, lakini muechandele na koreta bane skuru ekinege ntekia waziri bunabara ibons bibakuwa nagaiga amangana alitogo soma chinga zeti nga chipese chingo chigoke iguchire gakini maitenga no monto mungaini ore tigato bwatera netwensi erinda abaibori imba chigo chandeka obogima bwabeiro bokongu.
Is to ask, in education, I think this is a sector with almost everybody as a stakeholder. So can we, all of us, consult and cooperate so that we move in the same direction? One body, we need all the parts geared towards the same direction. So let us talk, let us consult, let us support one another so that we can deliver efficient and very quality education services.
Se budget iliye ito ya Kenya, education igebwate asilimia 30. 30% of the budget goes to the education sector. So the government is committed to ensure that the education is fully funded, and under the constitution it is the duty of the government to support the students and to ensure they are in school. So I don't want parents to worry. Tintage timo kumie ngango cha kuboli gumole koruchibe esa chinde wetani chireza kakari okoraki ekorua. The amount that is allocated or that is required under the policy for students in senior school is 22,000, and we are working very closely with Treasury to raise the funds from where they are to 22,000. So we are doing everything possible to ensure that we look for resources to meet that target. What my colleague said was not that there is a reduction. He was saying that we have not been able to reach that target, but we are working day and night as a government to raise the resources so that we meet that target. Tuiwana nire etogo tebanga ne serikali igoja kuruchwa siri 2022 asabana we to secondary sawa sawa. That one is home and dry. We are not going to ask for any resources from the parents.